Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hyland Inn near Legoland. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Hyland Inn near Legoland is 0.9 miles from Tamarack Beach and features an outdoor pool and rooms with a microwave and refrigerator. Rooms at Hyland Inn near Legoland offer free Wi-Fi and a work desk. Cable TV is also included. Business services and a guest laundry room are provided at Hyland Inn near Legoland. Guests can relax on the outdoor sundeck. Parking is on site and free of charge. The Flower Fields Botanical Gardens and Carlsbad Outlet Mall are both within 5 minutes drive of this Legoland. Oceanside Harbor is 6.8 miles from the hotel and Camp Pendleton Marine Corps base is 10 minutes away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.